Hello, Carol Rivet here. I'm going to talk about the Legacy Builder, what I like about it, um, some of the commissions that I've earned from it, and why, after looking at it, if you've been in affiliate marketing like I have been for years, and MLM, why you're going to say, why am I bothering? Okay, so maybe you won't say that, but I did. I did because after being in affiliate marketing, network marketing for so long, and still not being able to make enough to help my kids with true financial freedom, to help my kids break free from the debt they're in. I needed something that was more. I needed something that paid better for the same amount of work that I was already doing. And I found it. It's called digital marketing, and it's in the e-learning sector, which is an incredibly hot sector. They're spending $1.2 billion daily right now on the e-learning sector, and by 2027, they're estimated to be spending $3 million. No, billion dollars a day on this sector. So the sector is just going to get bigger. You know, been hearing, is it saturated? There's 25,000 people in the community. That's a community that's there for your support, for backup, to help you. You can look and see what other people are talking about. You can see who's having success. There are tens of thousands of people that are having success with this process, with this program. It's a 2-hour workday blueprint. If you follow it step by step, you plug in, you follow it step by step, and you do it, okay? You have to do it. You will be successful with this, my friend. And I'm really eager to go in and take a look. So here we are, right here. And at any time, you can go to this right here, www.carol, C-A-R-O-L, cashdaily.com. Okay? And that takes you to this lovely website. Okay, now this is what I love about this. Not only do you have 4 individual streams of income, you earn 100% profit. Yes, I said that. Now, one of the reasons why, like I said before, I'm like, why am I bothering with affiliate marketing? And I still like affiliate marketing, network marketing, but I think in addition to growing this, I think this is the main, and then you can add, as long as it complements this, which is the product, and then you can resell it because you're buying the 100% resellable rights for it. So you can make 100% of the profit. Okay, so you can take supplements, you can take, graphic design thing, or something to help people set their taxes, or whatever it is. You could take that and join it to this community in here, all right, and be able to grow this just simply by adding this to your email series, because this is a marketing system that is set up for you. I'm not techie, so this is what I was excited about. As I said before, I needed something more that was going to earn better profits for the same amount of work that I was doing, actually less work, and be able to make a difference in my grandkids, so I could see my grandkids more, so that I could spend more time with my daughters, because that is the precious treasure that we have, that we're really looking for, is more time to do the things we love, whatever that may be for you. Okay, and if you'd like to type down below in the comments what that would be for you, I would love to see what that is. So this has capture page, this has the sales page to it, this has an email series. When you join me, it comes with 13 days for emails. I give you up to 31 days. So I give you an additional 18 for free just when you join me. Okay. So this is, and then when you opt into that, it takes you to this, and this is all included in the system. She does the selling and telling. She is our $1 million mentor. This is an interactive marketing platform. This teaches you the ins and outs of how to market online, how to market anything online. Okay, you can market this product or not. That's up to you. This teaches you, gives you the skills of how to market online, how to find your perfect customer, and how to mentor your message, how to develop your message to reach your customer so that you can connect with your perfect customer. So you don't ever go chasing after people. You post content, and then they, and then when they ask for more information, you send them to your system. They go into your system. If they're your perfect customer, they'll like it, and then they'll decide which level to come in at and make a purchase. If they don't, they will simply unsubscribe and continue doing what they're doing, whatever that is. Chances are, if you're in affiliate marketing or MLM, chances are you're probably struggling with 95% of people in that industry struggle to make 50 bucks a month. That's the truth of the fact. Anyone that tells you it's easy to grow is lying to you, because it's not. It takes effort, it takes work, it takes consistency, it takes consistent dedication every day to post content. Okay? And if you're doing this, why not get paid 100% profit for doing it instead of 10 bucks with an affiliate program, or 5 bucks for that mascara or that makeup, or 7 bucks for that skin cream, whatever the case may be of what you're trying to sell. The 4 different products that are in here. The first one is Launchpad. It's $100. You earn 100%. There is a $29 setup fee for the website. Okay, for getting the system. Oh well, that's, so you earn $100 on that. That includes the how to launch a business from zero to profit in 7 days. That includes that training. This is interactive training where you actually get to ask her questions. You go out into breakout rooms to talk about whatever the training was about, how to craft it, how it can help you, and how to implement it in your business. This is like nothing I've ever seen, and that's not even including the 23,000 people that are included in this. Okay, so you come here and click to that. It takes you to another video, and this is the digital community right here. You can see right here the webinar. She just did a webinar, and every now and then when she does, look at this, 71,006 weeks and 2 days. This is the type of success that many are having with this. Okay, I have earned, thousands with this already. That income disclaimer, that doesn't mean you're going to earn anything, and that doesn't mean that you're not. You can earn far more than I have, more than others have. It's, are you going to plug in? Are you going to be coachable, plug into the training, and do it? Are you willing to go on and do a YouTube video? Are you willing to go on and do a TikTok live? If you are willing to go in and you're familiar with TikTok, I mean, you're good to go. Just craft your message. Get your message crafted, and you can be doing this too. Okay? I mean, look at first day. TikTok training, let's go. 30,000 in 9 days. I mean, this isn't even the win section. The win section is right there where everybody posts. The wins that they have. Life changer emotionally. This person hasn't generated any income yet, but living the potential and seeing all the other wins and celebrating with all of you. So this is the 30,000 in 90 days. A $900 sale, a $900 sale, $71,356 yesterday, $158,000 in 5.5 months. I mean, this stuff is surreal. First sale, $900 sale. I mean, yes, you can come in, not pay attention to the coding, try it, and not make a thing. Okay? The process works. The 2-hour blueprint works, but you got to plug in, follow the instructions, and do what they're suggesting. It may take you longer. If I was to say, if you do this and plug in and be coachable and do this, and in 6 months you'll be earning 6 figures, would you do it? Doggone right you would, I bet. Okay, so this is the legacy page. Okay, this is, oops, it was the legacy page. Okay, come back. Okay, this is right here. You can see, you can get the product right there, or you can scroll down and read a little bit more. There's a little bit about me, and there's a little bit more about the legacy. Let me just scroll down here a little bit. There's more about what's in there, and then there's the daily passive blueprint. That is the Launchpad Launch to Profit daily passive blueprint. That's the $300 product. The other one was the $100 product. Digital Mastery is the $600 product, and the Legacy Builder is the $900 product. Okay, you can come in at whatever level you can afford, and you can, within 30 days of coming in, if you decide you want to come in and upgrade, you come in at the 300, upgrade later to 600 or 900 within the 30 days and just pay the difference. Okay, and here is the page that you'll see. There's the credit card method right there, and then the PayPal. Just click over to the PayPal. This is for the Digital Mastery. You'll find the other programs like this too. The same thing, just the different product. And then it redirects to the $29 so you can pay the one-time website fee. And then if you scroll down a little bit from these payment buttons right here, these blue buttons down here, you click them, and this takes you to, if you want to do the payment plan. Okay, you can see the Digital Mastery right there. If you want to okay, when I logged out a link, it brought these up. Cash App, the Klarna, and Afterpay are the ones that you can pay in payments. Okay, so that's it for today. I'd love to hear any questions you have down below. This is a great company, and the amount of education in this and the skill of what you learned is bar none the best. So comment below or click the link and join me. I'd love to have you, and we can chat. Okay, bye-bye now.